Hello everyone, I am Priyanshu Singh, 20BCE1397, and in this video I am going to discuss on my J component project, and my J component topic is my fitness mobile application. So without any delay, let's go to the contributors of this project. So in this J component, only one person is there and that is me. I have not chosen any team members so as to gain little more responsibility and sincerity. So the front end as well as the back end is handled by me. The front end of for the app development is a bit easy as it is a drag and drop option which is available in the Android Studio, and the rest work is needed in the back end, which I have done. So let's start with the abstract of this project. So my app, that is my fit app, is aimed to build this app to override the problem prevailing in practicing the manual system. This app will provide a system which will be used in maintaining the health and fitness. It helps in overlooking all the user's fitness, and also it will help the user in maintaining the exercise. Now let's head towards the introduction of this PPT. We know that the physical fitness is nothing but it is a general state of health and well-being, and more specifically we talk it is the ability to perform aspects of sports, occupations and daily activities. It is designed specially to assist with exercise and other types of physical training, nutrition and diet or related fitness topics. Thus it will make easier for them to manage their health. It can be said that this application is nothing but an automated version of the manual fitness management system. Now, let us discuss the existing system and its disadvantages. Now, we know that at the start of the manual fitness management can be quick and necessary. However, as the number of users or customers increases, the manual management can become very cumbersome practice. Further, there are many disadvantages. It may not much accurate enough. It is very prone to the damage and it is very at high risk to being misplaced. Moreover, there is a lack of security, and for any changes takes a lot of time. Now we will see the proposed system that I have came with. So introducing the system will help the user and the administrator to manage the data more efficiently. Moreover, it will help in simplifying and streamlining all the tasks. Thus, it will help the user in easy access. Thus, the one of the major benefits of the system is that the administrator will be able to keep the track. Now, let's discuss the software that I have used in this project. It is prepared in Android Studio, in which the virtual Android is inbuilt, and the language used is Java. Now, let us discuss the use case of MyFit app. So, this use case is very simple and straightforward as we can see. In this, the actors are the customer and the administrator. Now, for both the admin and the user, they can log in and log out in the app. Now, for the user, they have the option to view the exercise and its lists and its procedures. Also, they can manage their workouts and their duration, in which they can also manage their diets as per their requirements. On the other hand, if we see the administrator, they can manage the database of the user, and if needed, they can perform the updation for any bugs or issue. Now, let's discuss the UML class diagram of this. So, the user or the customer will have their name and email ID for login and logout. And for each user, they have their own exercise, duration and type so that each one can have their own calculated calories. For each user, they have their unique report containing their details of their name, exercise and duration. Moreover, users have the time to calculate the duration of each exercises. Now, let us discuss the sequence and diagram of this app in the face of administrator. So, the administration can log into the page. Thus, it is a login success. And then, the administration is able to manage the user, in which they can save or update the users. Similarly, the administration can manage the routines, in which they can add or edit the routine as per the updation of the user. Moreover, the admin can manage the exercises in which they can save and update the exercise. And at the last, manage the administration can manage the report details for the users. They can add, edit, save or update the reports. Now, this is a state diagram of my Fit app. Now, let us see the screenshot of this project. So, starting with the dashboard, it contains 5 things. The main one defines the dashboard. Here, it defines the routines we have fixed. This one says this one has the list of exercises. This one we have the report for each user, and this one is the my section in my section. Now, as I told you earlier, this one is the setting up exercises. This shows that which exercises we have set in which day and how many repetition we have to do. As you can see that I have set just an example for December 2 and December 4. Similarly, this icon shows the list of the exercises. Now I have given several exercises name. Now clicking on any exercises will open the option like this. Now here we have 2 options to give in the app, that is the weight and that is the repetition. So if imagine I have weight of 60 and the repetition required is 20. So I can just put here 60 and 20 and click on save. Then after clicking on save, that exercise will show up here, that is in the setting up exercise section, that is the diary section. Now third one is the report view. This image shows the report option. Now you can see here that I have different charts. A body part breakdown, here it shows that I have one exercise for exercising of leg, I have one exercise for the back, and I have chosen one exercise for the bicep. Similarly, we have the daily volume, that is how much calorie we have burned in each workout. Okay, so starting with the code, here it is the main activity code. So the main activity code is actually important because it connects all the pages of an app in that. It means if we click on any app, if we click on any page, it will redirect to another page, and if we want to go back, it will help in getting back to the app. So this is the permission that requires by the app, and this is the icon used. This is the label, that is it is the title of the app. It is the request permission for the external storage, the icon, and this is the theme that I have used. Okay, so starting with the first activity, that is it connects with the splash screen activity. Now here we can see that this activity is connecting to the charts activity. We can clearly see that its label is charts. So if a person from the home page clicks on charts activity, it will redirect to this activity. Similarly, we have second activity as the custom exercise activity. If a user wants to create a new exercise, then he can click on exercise and create a new exercise. Thus, in this case, the user will be redirected from the home, that is the dashboard, to the custom exercise activity layout. Similarly, we have the exercise activity in which the user will be redirected to the exercise section. Now getting forward. Now the next one is the day activity. Now the day activity, as the name says, it will show the daily report of the user they have exercised. Okay, and the next activity is the settings activity. It includes all the basic settings, that is the permission required and the login access and the password. Similarly, we have the my activity, add exercise activity, diary activity, and so on. So if user clicks on any of these activity, he will be redirected from the dashboard to that activity. Similarly, if the user want to get back to the dashboard, he can simply click on back button, and thus he will be redirected to the dashboard. Here the furthermore activities I have provided. Okay, so this is the main activity Java code. Here these are the data structure that I have used. These are public structures which are labeled as states, workout days, known exercises, date selected, and so on. Okay, these are the functions for each of that structures that I have declared earlier. So this is the first function, that is a date set. It means we have declared a date in the form of variables int I1 and int I2. Here we can see that the string year will give the string value of I, and the string there is a variable called string month and string day. We will accept the month in this format, and the day will be accepted in the int I2. Now we have stored this month and day in the form of string, and this data clicked is sent to the main activity. Thus we can start the intent, and we can send that intent to start the activity. Similarly, we have this second function for day position. Day position is required. So if the person chooses an exercise on a particular day, then he may know how much exercise and which exercise he have performed in the previous days, so that he can make up for the upcoming days. And this returns the index of the exercises, which is I have provided in the list in the form of list view. Okay, and this one is the code for connecting the front end to the back end. Okay, this is the function for creating the stuff. And okay, before that, it is the set content view. Now this statement is actually saying that whenever the users goes to on create, it will redirect it to the my activity. And when the person goes to creating the stuff, it will navigate to the navigation view, and this statement that find view by id gives the id for the bottom navigation view button. Similarly, this bottom navigation view value is being selected to my activity, that is to the main activity. Here I have given a statement that it will navigate to the given activity based on the selected menu items. So if the person chooses for the home option, it will redirect it. It will start an intent, and it will redirect it to the main activity. Or if the person chooses for the exercise, it will start a new intent, and it will direct the user to the exercise activity, and it will start the activity. And similarly, if the person choose for the diary option, it will start the new intent, and it will redirect the user to the diary activity class, and it will start the activity. Similarly, I have given for the charts and for the my main activity. So as I have told you earlier, for designing the front end, Android Studio provides a drag and drop option. As we drag the elements, parallelly the code is being written at the back side. So this is the main dashboard of MyFit app. After this, I have given the options, that is the diary option, the list of exercises, the main dashboard option, the chart option, and for the my info section. Now the next one is the workout chart design. In this, I have used the list view option. List view options help us to scroll down. If we want to scroll down, here we can see that workout will be scrolled up, and the body part breakdown will come. Similarly, this one is the dialog design. So similarly, for the exercise graph design, I have also used the list view. Okay, so and ending up this video, these are the references that I have used while making this project and presentation. Okay, now I will just show an example how my app will run. Okay, so as I told you earlier, this is the main dashboard of the front end, and for this is the name of my app, that is MyFit app. And if I click on this button, that is the run button, it will show that the Gradle build is running, and after some time it will open the Android emulator and the app will run. Okay, so just a minute, it will open. So yeah, it opens. See, this one, that it is the main home page, as we can say that it is the main home page. So now its current day and date is the December 5, that is Sunday. Now if we go on diary option, that is this option, here we can see the exercises that we have chosen on a particular day. So on an example, I have choose on 4th of December, I have chosen two exercises, that is chin up and squats. And on December 2, I have chosen the barbell curl. So here I can see that which exercises I have chosen on that particular day. Now clicking on this, it will show the list of exercises. Now so when I will click on this, now okay, so here it will show the list of exercises, that is the flat barbell bench press, the chin up, the seated dumbbell press, the lateral cable rise, the barbell curl, and so on. Here, if we want, we can add our own custom exercises. Here I am just going to the back. Okay, here this I have actually told you that this is the main homepage, and now this one is the report section. Here you can see that in the year of 2021 I have performed on 2 days. Here you can see that there is 2 days that I have performed, that is on December 2 and December 4. When I will go down, it will show me the body part breakdown. It means how many exercises I have chosen and in which part it will get reflected. So the chosen exercises reflects the one of leg exercise, one of the back exercise, and one the bicep exercise. And this one gives the daily volume. So in this graph you can see that on the December 2 I have around 600 calories burned, and on December 4 I have 2700 something calories burned. So this is how my app is running, and for this my section I'm currently working on that. It's not completely prepared. So that's all for this, how my demo app is working. I hope you liked. Thank you.